I've been wanting one of these that's cordless, and this uses the big boy batteries that my drill does. This is a like a Dremel. It's got the 3-foot long stick. It's 20 volt. Imagine how long this battery will last, and it's cordless. I mean, that's so handy. All the Dremels I've ever had have had a cord on them. And I love, on my other Dremels, using the cord attached to them. It makes it so nice, and this already has it like that. Look at that. This is going to be so awesome. It's adjustable speed. The battery goes in the side like that. Oh yeah. There's the cord. And
all your accessories.
Instruction manual. Okay, so it looks like an Allen head inside there. It's gonna have to twist it around until you get it in there. Boom. All right. Let's put a tool in there. So it's got a nice little lock here. If you've ever used one of these before. That makes it nice. Some of those you have to use a special tool or one of those things. So I don't know if this takes to different sized arbors, but we bought a kit too. I don't know if this is what size. Like standard is like 1/8 inch. Blah 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 blah. Yeah, 1/8 inch collet is what it is. I'm just gonna put one of these on there. Man, I've been wanting one of these.
This is going to come in handy for our gate.
Yeah, we're gonna fix the gate on the backyard oasis. Stay tuned for that video. I think I'm getting it locked in there. There we go. And see how it goes all the way up in there and locks? That is so nice. It's got a tool with it. There you go. You ready to go?
Whoa. Somebody doesn't like that. Is it even twisting?
Yeah.
Okay, I couldn't see it. Well, don't do that.
Maybe we can test it on this.
Oh, yeah.
It's loud.
It's very loud.
It is so loud. It's not bad. I wonder if I could put it on the carpet. Let's see if it's any better.
Oh, that's a lot better.
Way better on the carpet.
Of course, you're not going to have carpet outside.
It's already got rubber feet on it, though. Yeah. It's got a little handy-dandy, so you can mount this on the wall for storage. So you can mount this next to your table on your bench.
Your
like
workbench.
that, and have it right there. And then, boom.
Cool.
That is awesome. That's perfect. Wow. All right. Well, we'll get this tested and show you how it does. But I think this was a good buy. I think it was maybe $40. I'll put the price up like I usually do, but I really like it. I've used Dremels for a long time. I've had probably 6 or 7 different ones, and I bought one from Menards, and I'm not kidding you, I spent $10, and it would adapt to my Dremel, one of these shafts. I still have it. It's outlasted all the Dremels I bought. I bought a really nice Craftsman one time. It went dead. All those have went dead except for this $10 one from Menards. I mean, it's just crazy. But I'm glad to get one of these that doesn't take, you don't have to plug into a thing. I can take it outside wherever I want. Don't have to have an extension cord. Very big deal. Very awesome. If you've ever used these, you know all the accessories you can get is crazy. 276 pieces. It is insane.
His favorite store.
All the stuff. I'm surprised they don't know me by name.
Okay, yeah, I'm pretty sure that lady does.
Okay, thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications.
Catch you on the next review.
Bye.
Bye.
Vroom, vroom, vroom.
Can we use that on
so
Penny's
cool.
toenails?
Yeah, you absolutely could. It's got all kinds of bits in
She
there.
might freak out.
Well, I mean, what's the difference in one of those ones
I
you
think
buy?
that's what they did at the
They probably have.
order.
They probably have this.
I'm pretty
exact
sure
thing.
she said Dremel.
Yeah. They probably have this exact same thing there.
I bet.
Wow. That is so cool. We need to find a place to
It
hang
looks
up.
really neat.
And that's the big battery. We can put a smaller battery on there. It don't have to be that big.